let's go over what login activity means on Instagram. Now, you might have gotten a pop-up that says there's been some login activity or there was a login on your Instagram device, and you're wondering what that means, how you should respond to it, what you should check. Maybe you should increase your security. I'm going to show you all about that, all about what it means and what you should do if you get that pop-up. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So let's open up Instagram here, and say you're on Instagram. It pops up with a little message that says there's some login activity. I'll show you where to find it. If it doesn't pop up, we'll tap the profile at the bottom right here, and then the three lines at the top right. And then we will choose on settings at the very top. And then you can see security, actually midway down, security. And then you can see login activity, the second option. I can tap on that. And you can see these are a couple of different logins that have logged into basically my Instagram account. So I can tap on one of these and the three dots at the right of it, and it will show me specifically where that login was. If this wasn't you, you can tap the logout button and it will log that specific device out of your account. This is a good time that you might want to change your password, because that means somebody else might have logged into your device, or potentially you logged in. It was just a different device that you don't have control over anymore. Maybe it was a friend's device, a friend's phone, or a computer or something like that. You might want to log out of it, and I recommend probably changing your password if there's somebody that's logged in that you don't recognize. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.